Now we've seen that we can press a key combination to run a macro, but not everybody's okay with key combinations. So you may want to actually add a button to the Quick Access toolbar that they can easily click whenever they want to run your macros. We've created two macros recently called Address and Today, and I want to add those to my Quick Access toolbar. Now to do so, there's a variety of ways, but basically we want to get into the Customize Quick Access toolbar and into More Commands. So we need to be here. Now what you have here on the right hand side is your Quick Access toolbar for all documents. Often when I create macros and they are only to be run in certain files, I don't want those buttons to be seen when any files open. I only want those buttons to be seen when this file's open. So I'm going to change for all documents to this file, which in my case is called Excel 3-C. So choose which file you want the buttons to appear when they're open. So instead of them just appearing on the Quick Access toolbar by default, these buttons will only appear in the Quick Access toolbar when this file is open. Now I'm going to change popular commands to macros. And here's all my macros. I'd like to choose Address and Add, and I'd like to choose Today and Add. So I add these two macros to my Quick Access toolbar. And I could just go OK at that point. And here they are here. If I was to save this file, File Save, and I was to close this file, File Close, those buttons disappear off the Quick Access toolbar. If I was to get a new file open, Control N, those buttons still don't appear. Those buttons will only appear now on your Quick Access toolbar when you open that particular file. So I'm going to open that particular file. And I'll move it into View. And there you can see the two buttons there. Now it's not very user friendly. You know, the buttons have both got the same picture and they really need to have a different picture. And I want to also mention what the shortcut key is when they rest on these buttons. So let's go back to customize the Quick Access toolbar and back to More Commands. And let's again change the document to this particular document. And let's click on Address. If I click on Address, I can click Modify and I can choose a different button. Now being an address, I'm going to go for a street sign, this button here. And to the right of Address in brackets, I'm going to tell the user that the shortcut key combination, if they want it, is Control-Shift-A. And I'll choose OK. As far as Today goes, I'll click Today and I'll modify that as well. And for today, I might choose Clouds. I might also mention again, in brackets, that the shortcut key is Control-Shift-D. And OK. And OK again. So now I have two buttons. If I click, say, in this cell and hit this button, it runs the address macro. If I rest on it, it does tell me the shortcut key combination is Control-Shift-A. And if I was to click here and hit this button, it would insert Today, formatted the way I want. So you can either now run the macros by pressing the key combination or by clicking a button on the Quick Access toolbar, which only appears when this file is open, because these macros are only relevant to this file.